Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to introduce you about my minimum iPhone setup that I use on my iPhone. So this is what I do with my iPhone to make everything much more easier. So the thing that I really have to had on my iPhone is this two widget. The first one is the weather prediction. Here, just to know the temperature of the day and then the prediction of the weather for upcoming hours or days. And then the next is this widget, which is the calendar. This is much more easier to access, to know like the date of the day yesterday or the day for the next or upcoming days here. So you don't need to open the calendar manually because they're already shown here. How to get this to, you just need to tap and hold into your screen, and that could be a shaking applications going on, and then tap into this plus button to access the widget. Now if you want to get the weather, you just need to scroll all the way down until you got the weather predictions right here, and then just tap on the weather. Perfect. And then you just need to go pick the style. That could be a forecast, that could be also the bigger one. It's much more complete because they can give you a temperature prediction for today, tomorrow, and the day after tomorrow. Even they can also predict the weather too. And then they could be also the bigger styles too if you want, or they could be the simple switch with this UV index so that you can predict the UV level of the day. So after that, you just need to go tap add widget, and this widget will be added into your home screen. And then the next is I also use this shortcuts automation to create this to make much more easier to access. There could be several. There could be a battery notification whenever your battery is low, and notification whenever I charge my phone fully or 100%. And I also got this automation for automatically turn on my low power mode whenever my phone battery is dropped about specific level. If you want to get this type of tutorials to get this notification or automation, you can just go subscribe to this channel and find the video on our channel here. And yeah, that's for my minimum setup for my iPhone to make my activity with phone is much more easier. Hopefully you can get something good from this video, and don't forget to turn on the notification section for upcoming tutorials, guys. Thank you for watching, and let's meet again into other tutorial.